Samantala, ang dating nasa corporate world, ngayon sumubok pumasok sa business world. Ang inspiring story ng isang entrepreneur na hindi natakot sumubok at ngayon ay isang successful businessman. Alamin natin ang kanyang storya dito sa Negosyo Tayo.
Hi Sir Patrick, welcome to Negosyo Tayo.
Yes, good morning po. Thanks for having me.
Alright, to start off, before we talk more about your business journey, let's start off first. Ano bang ginagawa mo bago ka na pasok sa business industry?
I'm a CPA by profession. Before maging full-time business owner, I worked in a multinational company for over a decade.
So what made you decide to take that big leap, to enter business industry? Malaki ang adjustment going to business.
Yes, tama ka doon, Miss Dayan. Sobrang laking adjustment yung transition from corporate to business. Pero though I enjoyed yung corporate journey, mayroon talagang fire sa puso ko na parang I think I need to try yung business. And when I took that leap, parang yun talaga yung nagsabi na, I'll do business or entrepreneurship na lang.
Paano ka napunta sa industry ng ceramics?
Kasi sabi nila, if you'll go into business, then you need to find a problem na isosolve mo. So back then, nung pandemic, lumipat kami sa Silang Cavite. Yung bahay na nagawa namin doon, medyo malalaki yung mga glass windows. And when we moved in, that's when we realized na sobrang init. Hindi kaya ng curtains and blinds. Kaya even yung aircon namin, hirap na hirap palamigin yung space namin. Electricity cost, napakataas. Kaya doon ako naghanap ng solution.
Of course, if you don't have any background, you need to do a lot of research. Medyo tedious yung process for you to be able to start this business. So, take us back to the time when you were starting.
Ayun, Ma'am Dayan, tama. When I was starting, medyo konti kasi yung ganito eh. Usually yung tint, pag narinig nila yung tint sa sasakyan, pero yung sa architectural application, medyo hindi siya popular dito. Actually, yun yung isang problem din namin to educate yung mga Filipino people or households na may ganitong solution. Pero going back sa question, taking back, I did a lot of research. I even reached out sa mga may mga gantong business. Ayun, tinuruan na nila ako kung paano talaga mag-start at maka-lift off yung business.
Can you share with us and kahit one unforgettable struggle or challenge that you've encountered?
One is yung talent or yung skill pag-i-install ng window films. Kasi it may look easy, pero it really takes skill para ma-perfect yung pag-i-install.
Why do you think it is important for Filipinos, to enter business industry as well?
Kasi ngayon medyo volatile yung situation natin here in the Philippines. So, if you feel na you really have something na pagkakakitaan, kahit extra lang, we take that opportunity kasi minsan from those little steps, dun tayo nakakakuha ng momentum.
Reputation takes years to build, but seconds to destroy. Kaya alagaan mo dapat at hands-on ka sa business mo. Tuloy-tuloy lamang ang paghahatid namin sa inyo ng mga inspiring at heartwarming business stories, mga kanegosyo. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo!